All right, so let's do a little bit of car content, hence the super clean hat. So brake light turns on when you accelerate. Well, there's a couple different reasons why this can happen. One of them is not that bad. So let's make sure that your parking brake is not engaged. Now, this will not happen. It just so happens that you may notice that your brake light is on while you're driving. Parking brake, check your parking brake. Make sure it is not engaged. But that is not what calls it. So if you're driving down the road, you accelerate and the brake light comes on for a split second and then turns off, or either illuminates and never turns off. There are a couple things it could be. So the main thing is the fluid is low, or the float is basically stuck at the bottom in the reservoir, and that can happen. So you want to check your fluid level, your brake fluid level, and you just pop the hood, go there. I'll put a picture in. You can see where it is on older Honda Civics. Now it's different on different cars, but usually around the same place. So you can just Google your car, where's my brake fluid reservoir, pop the top, look in there, and make sure it has fluid in it. And there should be a line kind of showing you where it should be. Another thing that happens, which is what you probably want it to be, because if your brake fluid is low, that means you probably have a leak somewhere. So the next thing to check is your brake pads. So pop your tire off, check your pads. Make sure your pads aren't worn out, because what will happen is that piston will push out of the caliper, and when it does, the fluid goes down into the line. When that happens, brake light will come on because you got low fluid. So that's basically the same thing, except for if it's the brake pads and you just replace pads, you're good to go. Don't have to worry about it. Brake light will come on whenever you see that. Now, if you got good pads and you have plenty of fluid, the only other thing it could be is you have a bad master cylinder. And if that's the case, you got to replace it. Pain in the butt. It's something that can be done. You can Google it and figure out how to do it. It's not really that hard on most cars, but for most people, if you're not inclined and don't work on cars, or you're not a backyard mechanic, you might want to take your car somewhere. That is a harder thing to do. Now, I, being myself and being a do it myself person, I think anybody can do it. Anybody can learn how to do it. Google your car and replace master cylinder. Watch a couple videos, give it a try. And you come out cheaper that way. But those are the things that you will see whenever you're accelerating and your brake light turns on. All right, and that's all that comes to my head. If you have any other things that it might be on different model cars, and you see the same thing, put them below. Share information with everybody. I like to make sure that other people can find information. That way we can save people some money, some headache, and y'all have a good day. Peace out.